Do you want to extend the life of your equipment? Welcome to a journey of discovery into the world of preventive maintenance. This isn't just about keeping your gear in tip-top shape, it's about saving money, reducing downtime, and giving your equipment a long, productive life. Imagine a world where breakdowns are a rarity and your equipment hums along like a well-oiled machine. That's the power of preventive maintenance. Stay tuned to learn top preventive maintenance tips that will be your equipment survival guide. What exactly is preventive maintenance? Well, let's unravel this together. At its core, preventive maintenance is a proactive approach towards maintaining your equipment, aiming to keep it running efficiently and increase its lifespan. It's about taking steps to prevent breakdowns before they occur. Think of it as the regular checkups you have with your doctor, but for your equipment. The benefits of preventive maintenance are multifold. It significantly reduces the risk of unexpected equipment failure, saving you from costly downtime and repairs. Moreover, it enhances the efficiency of your equipment, leading to improved productivity and profitability. So how does preventive maintenance differ from reactive maintenance? Well, reactive maintenance is a wait-and-see approach. It's like waiting for a light bulb to burn out before replacing it. While this might seem cost-effective in the short term, it often leads to bigger issues and higher costs in the long run. Now that we understand what preventive maintenance is, let's dive right into the essential preventive maintenance tips that will serve as your equipment survival guide. Firstly, regular inspections are crucial. Think of them as your equipment's routine health checks. They help you catch any small issues before they develop into major problems. So make it a habit to inspect your equipment regularly, looking out for any signs of wear and tear. Next, cleanliness is not just about aesthetics. It's about functionality. Dust, grime, and debris can cause your equipment to work harder than necessary, leading to premature wear. So, keep your equipment clean and free from any unwanted buildup. Now let's talk about lubrication. Just as our joints need lubrication to move smoothly, so does your equipment. Regular lubrication reduces friction, prevents overheating, and extends the life of your machinery. Timely repairs are equally important. If you notice something off during your inspections, don't procrastinate. Address it immediately. Timely repairs can save you from costly replacements down the line. Lastly, always follow the manufacturer's instructions. These guidelines are there for a reason. They provide the best practices for maintaining your equipment, so don't overlook them. These preventive maintenance tips are simple yet effective. They can significantly improve the longevity of your equipment and reduce downtime. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is an investment that pays off in the long run. Let's recap what we've learned today. Preventive maintenance is not merely an option, but a necessity to ensure the optimal functioning and longevity of your equipment. We've explored essential tips like scheduling regular inspections, keeping your equipment clean, replacing parts before they fail, and training your team. These measures are not just good practices, they're your survival guide for the long haul. They bring numerous benefits such as reducing downtime and unexpected repairs, improving safety, extending the life of your equipment, and ultimately saving you money. Remember, proactive care is always cheaper and better than reactive repairs. So don't wait for a breakdown to happen. Start your preventive maintenance journey today and witness the transformative effects on your equipment's performance and lifespan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more equipment maintenance tips and tricks.